everyone, welcome. Allison here. So there's this concept, I think Japan was doing it or is doing it. It wasn't, I think it was a year ago. Darn it. It had to have been at least a year ago, maybe longer, since I seen anyone do this. And I thought, let's try it. My in-laws come over yesterday and they brought some KFC. So what I have here is 4 cups of rice and water. So we're going to add the leftover chicken. Alright, and then, here, let's put this to the side because we need to make room for a tomato. Alright, so the water is, well, actually stock. I got chicken stock in here. So 4 cups of chicken stock and then 4 cups of water and then my leftover chicken as well, 5 pieces and a large tomato. I'm going to put this in the rice cooker. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes to cook. So I will see you guys when this is done and we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like for one, and then we'll try it and see if it's any good. So I don't know, guys, let me know. It looks kind of funky. I hope it'll be good. Alright, you guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so look at that goodness. Alright, let's see if we can't get this super hot. So I'm gonna do my best. I hope you can hear me. Oops, bump y'all. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna shred all this, but I want to get the peel off of the tomato first. Okay, so I got it all mixed up, the tomato and the chicken. So let's dish it up and see what it tastes like. Alright, here we go. I don't know. Let's get some tomato and some chicken and rice. See that? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Ooh, this is hot. That's really not too bad. Alright. So there you go. You guys should give it a try. So next time you guys have some chicken left over or KFC chicken over, add that with a tomato. There you go. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this and we'll see you later. Bye bye.